Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening messages and selecting the conversation for check-in. This sets the safety context. You'll tap the contact name, then choose check-in from the actions list so the feature links to that person. Once prompted, set an estimated time of arrival and decide whether to share location continuously. Make sure to review the default safety options because they determine what data is shared and for how long. This first step connects the feature to the right recipient and time frame. Once done with the basics, configure the detailed behavior of check-in so it works reliably. You'll adjust the ETA and enable automatic notifications that mark you safe or send need help if you don't arrive on time. Next, decide whether to allow continuous location sharing for that period. This helps the recipient track progress and is important if you're in transit. Finally, customize how emergency alerts are handled and which contacts are notified. These choices control the automated responses if something goes wrong. You finish by tapping Start Check-in, and you'll see a progress indicator or live location updates sent to your contact. This confirms the session is active. If you arrive, end check-in manually, otherwise it auto-completes at the ETA and sends a safe update. If something goes wrong, first verify messages has location permission and background app refresh is enabled. Also make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active because lost connectivity is the most common issue and prevents automatic updates or alerts from sending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.